In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Discord channels and roles according. The goal here is to make your server cleaner, safer, and much easier for people to navigate. A well-organized Discord isn't just about looks. It helps staff manage the community properly, keeps important channels visible, and prevents permission issues later on. Start by organizing your roles using a layered hierarchy. Discord reads roles from the top down, which means higher roles can manage lower ones. Inside server settings, then roles. Place your bot master roles at the very top. This is especially useful for security bots since they need enough power to act even if a staff account is compromised. Under that, place your staff layer, like admins, moderators, and general staff roles. Next comes your perk and active layers, such as VIP roles or level-based rewards for active members. Below that, keep your base layer, including your default member or verification role. Finally, put cosmetic roles at the bottom, like color roles, pronouns, or ping preferences. This keeps power roles separated from optional display roles. Next, structure your channels based on user flow. Think about what a new member should see first and where they should naturally go after that. Use clear categories in uppercase and add simple emojis to make sections easier to recognize. In your Start Here category, include rules, announcements, and welcome channels. In Community Lounge, place general chat, memes, and bot commands so everyday interaction feels organized. Then create a staff-only category for private coordination and moderation logs. Finally, lock down permissions using categories instead of configuring every channel one by one. Right-click the category, choose Edit Category, then open permissions and select the Everyone role. For public areas, allow viewing, sending messages, and reading message history. For read-only areas, allow viewing, but disable sending messages. For staff areas, disable viewing for everyone, then manually add your moderator role and allow viewing there. This saves time, keeps permissions consistent, and makes your server much easier to manage.